In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to Get to Privacy section. Tap on Permission Manager and select any feature you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and apply one of those options. In my case, Don't Allow. So when I go back, as you can see, Booking no longer has access to my device's camera. You can also select one of your apps and instead of picking any of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!